Let's just be honest. Let's be honest. It is becoming harder and harder to deposit and withdraw money from Binance in the country Uganda. And I don't blame anyone, but we are the ones to guide people on how best they can actually withdraw and deposit their money on their Binance account and on any other crypto exchange that they have in Uganda. What problem are we having right now? So years back, we used to comfortably withdraw and deposit money using our mobile money accounts. Like if you want to withdraw or to deposit money on Binance using your mobile money account, you just initiate on your Binance account and the pin come in, you put in a pin and you already bought crypto. But for now, due to our government policies, Binance cannot support direct mobile money transactions and direct bank transactions. So the only thing that we rely on is P2P transactions. And we are supposed to be depositing and withdrawing our money from our Binance account using P2P transactions. And remember, we could say that, oh, are there no other exchanges that are doing it? There is no other exchanges on, there is no other platform that is doing what Binance is doing and providing to the people of Uganda the P2P platform that Binance is doing. But now, what is the problem with this? The problem is this, that thousands and thousands of people are getting scammed every single day on the Binance P2P platform, and Binance is doing its due diligence to really stop this, but it is still failing. And the second reason is that recently we have seen that Nigeria has been banned, so Nigerians cannot access Binance P2P platform. So if this happens to Uganda, that Binance is banned and they cannot access the Binance P2P platform, that's why I said before you blame the Ugandan government for not supporting the crypto industry, look at the Nigerian government. What they have done, they have completely banned Binance P2P platform. So Nigerian citizens can now not sell or deposit money using Binance P2P platform. So what are Nigerians done? The Nigerians have moved to Bybit and they can now transact on Bybit using P2P platform. What is the problem that we have in Uganda? All the exchanges are it is only Binance that is providing the P2P platform on their platform for the Ugandans. So it is Binance that is only providing us with the P2P platform, and we are at a very risk that if it indeed our country does what Nigeria has done, then that could mean the end of crypto for so many Ugandans. The good thing is that in this video, we are going to find a possible solution, a very good solution that all of us can use comfortably, and we stay comfortable putting in money into the crypto space and withdrawing money to crypto. The third problem that we have with actually Binance P2P platform or with any other platform that we are using currently to really do transaction is that it is not really fully P2P. P2P means that we are transacting, me and you who is watching, we are doing a peer-to-peer transaction. But the truth is that we are not doing a peer-to-peer transaction because Binance is between us. So it means it is not decentralized, rather it is centralized with Binance connecting the buyer and the seller. What is the problem with this? The problem with this is that they can ban your account at any time that they want, and also they can restrict accounts that can do this type of transaction. For example, if you have not verified your Binance account, you cannot do such a transaction. Now, I'm not going to be telling you step by step of how to deposit and how to withdraw because I've already made that video. Check the link in the description below if you are looking for a step by step of how to deposit and how to withdraw on Binance. This video is actually trying to tackle the problems that currently people are facing while depositing and withdrawing money on their Binance accounts. So the problem is being a centralized is that now when you don't have a national ID, you cannot access that platform. You cannot transact on Binance. Even if you want to trade, you have learned how to trade. You can now not trade because you cannot deposit your money onto Binance accounts. Yet there are so many exchanges and so many platforms that you can use to actually trade. But how are you going to put your money onto that very exchange that you want to trade with? There are so many exchanges. For example, me, I started trading crypto when I was not eligible to getting a national ID. So I faced a big problem in depositing money on Binance. So what did I do? I went and got one of my relatives and convinced him to open up a Binance account for me. By then, I was still not eligible to getting a national ID. So I got an account using my relatives and my relatives' details. But what was the problem with this is that every time I get into issues on Binance P2P platform, either someone has delayed to send for me money or someone is failing to release, they ask for my identity. Now, I don't have a national ID. I cannot cannot prove that that account is mine, and I faced a very big problem. So this video, if you all have any of those problems, then this video is a solution to you. I just realized that we might be in a very big problem if Binance really gets banned, if we don't have any solution for that. So what I decided to do is to create this video as a solution for anyone who is facing any problem with depositing or withdrawing money from crypto. And what is the solution? The solution is that if you are to deposit money or to withdraw money, if you had a trusted source where you can call or you can inbox and send a message and say, hey guy, I want 100 USDT. Can you send for me 100 USDT? I'm going to send for you the money. And directly you are transacting with someone directly, then that would be easier than us relying on a platform that can ban your account at any time and can close at any time. And if they are, in case you get problems with people who are scamming you, you need to prove your identity, and some of you people don't have national ID. So what I've done is that I have opened a WhatsApp group, a WhatsApp community that you are going to be able to join. Please, in this WhatsApp community, you are not going to join to talk about prices of crypto. You're not going to join to talk about the movement or how to earn money in crypto. All you are going to be doing there is to withdraw and deposit money on your Binance account. So have I ever done this? Yes, there are so many people who have been really having problems with depositing and withdrawing money, and they have been contacting me, but because I've not been getting to them, but I've been dealing with a few people. So I thought it wise that why don't I create for you guys a WhatsApp group that you can get together and you withdraw and deposit money on different accounts. Now you may not need a Binance account because you now have exchanges like Mexi. If you have not registered with Binance or Mexi, the links are going to be in the description below. If you have to trade spot or to trade futures on Mexi, you can trade without a national ID or without even KYC. You can start trading and use everything, up to even withdrawing money. So we can do all these direct withdrawals. So if you don't know how to withdraw money using wallet addresses that you can be using on Mexi, then I have a video about withdrawing money from your crypto. Also check in the description below. So there are two videos that are going to be found in the description below. How to step-by-step deposit money. So you learn how to use the Binance P2P platform. You learn how to use sending money or sending crypto using the wallet address, and also you learn how to use the Binance Pay platform. But also you learn how to use any other crypto exchange to withdraw or deposit money from it. You check how to withdraw and deposit money. The two videos are in the description below. So what I'm trying to say is that we have created a WhatsApp community that when you join and you want to, maybe let's say you want to deposit money, you are not going to talk to anyone in the group because we are really not trusting anyone. There are so many scammers in the crypto space, and you are not supposed to really trust anyone unless you know him. So what we are going to be able to do is we have our community that we are going to be able. When you join this community, all you are going to be able to do is, if you want to do any transaction, either withdrawing or depositing, you only contact the admin. You look at the admin and you only contact the admin. You inbox the admin, you tell the admin what you really want to do. So for now, I really hope that I'm going to be giving this to people that I don't really trust, but for now, I'm going to be doing it my own self. I'm going to be the only admin, and maybe when the group becomes bigger and bigger and bigger, we'll give out and resource it to different admins. So this group is going to be able to help you to deposit and withdraw money. All you're going to be doing is, when you join the group and you want to do any transaction on any exchange or anywhere, you can just inbox the admin, tell the admin that, oh, I want to withdraw money. Jibril, I want to deposit money, on your inbox, on your WhatsApp, and then you will get back to, so please don't send money before you have talked to admin that I'm going to send this amount of money, and immediately you send, the admin approves that I've said. Have I done this have I done this before? Yes, I've been doing it with so many people who have been engaged in my inbox now and then, but I've realized that if these people who are there in my inbox are facing this problem, then there could be so many Ugandans facing the same problem. That's why I've decided to open the crypto P2P, real P2P platform on WhatsApp, where people can easily transact in between themselves. So I've picked my own money to act as liquidity. I'm going to be using my own money to act as liquidity. Unless you people become so many that I could not serve you people, I'll source it out to other people, trusted people that will be able to serve you immediately. So is it bad to use Binance P2P platform? It is not bad to use Binance P2P platform, but we really need a fully decentralized platform, or we really need another option that, in case what happened to Nigeria where they got banned on Binance, we should have an option. And also, for those that don't have a national ID and they want to trade crypto, they want to join crypto, they can register with companies that don't need them to have national ID, like Mexi, and they start accessing crypto products while they can deposit and withdraw when we are helping them to deposit and withdraw their money. So this is like just an alternative to the Binance P2P platform, or an alternative to any way that you can use to deposit and withdraw money on Binance. I'm not going to do this is not a financial advice, but yes, when you join us, I'm going to make sure that you don't regret it. You get the best of the service, and every time you are transacting with us, you are going to enjoy your time with us. So just make sure you join that WhatsApp group, and I'll be able to see you. When you join the WhatsApp group and you text the admin, the admin will know that you are from that WhatsApp group, and it will be easy for you to transact with the admin or transact with me directly, because I'm right now the admin. The thing is this: we are going to create a platform, a trustworthy platform, where you can actually trust and you can deposit and withdraw your money without any single problem. The truth is that once the group becomes so big and there are so many people, then we will add more admins to be able to transact with you. But for now, I'll be directly dealing with you myself, because there are so many people who have been actually having the same problem. So I'll be able to help you solve that problem. So make sure you check the link. The first link in the description below is to join that WhatsApp group. And if you want to trade crypto and you don't have a national ID, join Mexi and you'll be able to try to trade crypto. If you also want to get more insights about crypto updates and so many things happening in the crypto space, join my Telegram channel. That's where I talk about crypto tips and tricks that you can use to earn money in the crypto space. Otherwise, my name has been Jibril, and on this channel, if you have really liked my content and if you like my content, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the refresh button, because I give more of crypto content on this very channel. Let me see you in the WhatsApp group. Bye bye.